country experiences, looking at a number of countries and 3 countries in detail, looking at what's happened to reduce or not reduce child malnutrition, and particularly the connection between agricultural development and child malnutrition. So I've had a chance to just read ahead and read the summaries of what our panelists are going to say, and they have real lessons to teach us, and then we should have time to talk together. So I think one part of that I'd like, there are people here from all over the world, and maybe just briefly people could share their own country experiences. And that would enrich the conversation. My name is David Beckmann. I come from Bread for the World in the USA. Bread for the World is a faith-based advocacy movement. We have our membership of individuals and religious congregations amounts to about 1 million people, and we organize those people to put pressure on elected politicians in Washington to get our government to do some things to reduce hunger and poverty in the U.S. We have hunger and poverty in the U.S., and also to reduce hunger and poverty around the world. One of the publicized speakers, Dr. Zhu Shiwei from China, was unable to get, he had visa problems, so he's not with us. So we will have 4 panelists, and I've asked them to try to keep their remarks to 8 minutes, which would mean that we'll be done in about half an hour with the initial presentations, which may leave us 40, 50 minutes to talk together. So we should be able to have lots of time for questions and also interventions from everybody in the room. So our first speaker will be Derek Hetty. He's a research fellow at IFPRI, and he's done a really interesting paper looking at data on what country experience has been, what really has worked to reduce child malnutrition.